Hi! In front of me is HTC DESIRE 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, access Play Store. After that, you need to click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order for this app to work, you need to choose, while using the app, allow and allow again. Then swipe up and click on Home button. From here, you need to access device's settings, scroll down and click on Apps. Then click on Default Apps. From here, you can finally click on Home app and apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Lastly, tap on Got it. As you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my HTC. But if you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!